Let's make Alander Egg Nog. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make Alander Egg Nog from Far North Spirits. New to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. The Alander Egg Nog was adapted by Kelson Grave in 2022 from Jerry Thompson's recipe from 1862. And it was made to feature the Ålander Aged Rum from Far North Spirits. I do have a recipe here on the channel for eggnog. If you want to check that out, I'll link that down below. But other than that, I don't have much to say about this drink. If you like eggnog, you're going to like this one. A note on the rum. If you're going to be making the Alander Egg Nog, you really should be using the Ålander Aged Rum from Far North Spirits. If you want to use this recipe and use a different rum in it, feel free to do so, but then you're not making the official Ålander Egg Nog. To make this drink, we're going to start with our half and half. 2 ounces of half and half is 60 milliliters. Next, 1 ounce of rich Demerara syrup. And Demerara rich means it's 2 for 1, sugar to water, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. I do have a video here on the channel for simple syrups if you want to check that out. Also, if you want to try Smuggler's Cove version of Demerara syrup, that recipe will be in the description down below as well. I did say 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. That's what we're doing. Next, 1/2 ounce of a, let's see if I pronounce this correctly, Amontillado sherry. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Ooh, that came out easy. And finally, the rum. 1.5 ounces of your Ålander Aged Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I know I said finally, but there's one more ingredient, and that is 1 whole egg. What is an eggnog without an egg? If you want to use an egg substitute instead, feel free to do so. I'm going to use whole egg. I'm probably going to crack this off camera just to make sure I do it right. I'll be right back with you. That went smooth. Now, the first thing we're going to do is dry shake this. That means no ice. And my shaker is not particularly good with dry shaking, so you may see a little bit of leakage. We'll see what happens. Huh, look at that. Now, I'm going to add some ice. And we're going to wet shake. Oh, there's the leakage, see it? This only happens to me when I dry shake. Now, I'm going to go wipe off my hands quick because this drives me crazy. And while I wiped my hands off, I did get some more ice because there's 2 ways to serve this drink. Number 1, you can serve it up in a large coupe glass. My coupes can't quite hold this drink. They're a little bit small, but it's not the size of the glass that's important. It's how you shake the drink. The other way is to fill a Collins glass with a couple of ice cubes, fill it, add, and then strain your drink into there. And that's beautiful. One thing I neglected to get was a straw, but first I'm going to add some ground nutmeg. Grated nutmeg is better. I have ground, so that's what I'm using, because that's the garnish. Grab my straw, add my straw, and there you have it, the Ålander Egg Nog from Far North Spirits. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite version of eggnog? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if it is rum-based, and triple points if you give me the recipe. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at those social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.